Hey guys, I'm right here. I was just seeing if I was blocking the light, but then my face was in the frame. Let me grab my water. And maybe that's better. I'm not sure what the best way to do this is, but hey, hi, howdy, how are ya? So I mentioned in a video at some point that I was going to do my perfume collection slash declutter. There isn't much I want to get rid of. I do know I want to get rid of 2 just right off the bat. But I mentioned that in a video and it got such like a positive response and people were commenting, yes, I want to see your perfume collection. So I'm doing it right now, as you can tell. But now laying them out, like for some reason I thought I have so many perfumes. I don't have that many, like this isn't crazy, right? I mean, it's way more than I should probably have because it's way more than I can use. I've just laid out all of my perfumes. We're gonna go through them. I'll tell you why I like each one of them. I'll try to like look up the notes on each of them so that I'm not just talking out of my ass. It's mostly Marc Jacobs and Ariana Grande, to be completely honest, but that's just what I'm into. I also have some travel size ones over here, and this video is actually sponsored by Scentbird, which I've worked with them a couple of times. I love Scentbird. I think it's like an amazing idea, pretty much. If you don't know what Scentbird is, it is basically a perfume subscription service where you pick out your fragrance, you get sent it, you get a 30-day supply, which to be honest, these last me way more than 30 days. I guess it depends on how often you spray them. For me, why I think it's so great is because perfumes are an investment, and their motto is try out the perfume before you marry it, which is so true, because even though you might like the way a perfume smells in store, it's much more beneficial to try it on, see how it works with your skin. I feel like some perfumes like smell different on certain people, how it works with your hormones or your pheromones or whatever it's called. So I just really love that it's a trial service pretty much for perfume. They have over 450 perfumes to choose from, and they have all of the designer stuff like Tom Ford. They have the juicy perfumes, which I have one in here. Prada, Gucci, I believe they have Marc Jacobs. They have Nest, which I've been wanting to try out a Nest fragrance, so I have one of those in there. And they do cologne as well, which is great. I got Bradley a gift set a couple years ago for Christmas, and it took him forever to run out of it because he uses cologne so sparingly, but he loves it, so it was a great gift idea. So yeah, it's monthly. It's $15 a month, but if you sign up with my link down below, you will get 30% off, which means you will get the subscription for your first month for 10 bucks only. So that is amazing. And these are super cool. Let me show you. So they send you basically the fragrance and the bottle. You just this one is Versace. Oh, I thought this was my Nest one, so this must be my Nest one. Whoops. This is what it looks like. And if you ever forget what's inside the vial as well, it's nice to take it out and like look at what it's called. Then you just pop it back in, twist it down, and it can be in your purse, in your handbag. They're great for traveling, like so good for traveling. I also have a couple of these in my bathroom in my parents' house in North Carolina. I have a couple of the juicy, I really love the juicy perfumes. I don't know why I don't own any of them, but they're really nostalgic for me, so I'm always trying the new juicy perfumes. I have those in North Carolina because they're great for traveling, for your purse, or just for every day if you're somebody who likes to change up their scent, or if you're wanting to try out a scent. So if you want to check it out, I will have my link down below. Thank you again to Scentbird for working with me. I really, like I said, enjoy their company. They sell skincare now too. Oh, and they have really nice hand creams. I think I have one right here. It's been beat to crap because it's been in my purse, but I really like this white tea and fig Scentbird hand cream, so shameless plug for that. But okay guys, let's just go through the perfumes. I feel like my dirty makeup brushes are definitely in the shot, but we don't care about that, do we? No. Okay, so I know I've like said it 1,000 times, but we're currently like redoing our den slash office, and I've been kind of like trying to keep less things on top of my vanity, but it hasn't been going that well. I tried to keep my perfumes in a drawer, which is better for them because they're supposed to be stored in like a cool, dark place, but I don't enjoy it, and when you open the drawer, they all slide everywhere, so I do like to have them out on my counter, so I would like to get rid of a few of them, and I'll kind of try to show you how I arrange them once we go through them. And then I feel like I could get rid of some of these. I don't know though, I love all these scents, but whatever. So first we'll start right here. This is my KKW fragrance. This is the Crystal Gardenia Citrus fragrance. I think it smells so good. I talk about it all the time. To me, it smells like a very mature scent, but like not in a granny way. It just smells like I'm a businesswoman kind of scent, but like still florally, still fruity, still citrusy. And it's so, so nice. My only pet peeve about this is I hate that it lays down. I wish it like stood, but it does not. So, and it's huge too, so it's just kind of annoying to store, but I'll get over it because I love the scent. So the top notes are orange, lemon, pomelo, which, what is that? That's some sort of citrus. Passion fruit and rose. The middle notes are jasmine, iris, nectarine, peony, and apple blossom. and the base is musk, white cedarwood, sensual amber, sandalwood, and more musk. Okay, so those are those notes, so let's get rid of that one. We're keeping that. Next up, I know I'm getting rid of this one. This was the Frankie Grande fragrance that came out under like the Ariana Grande line. It's a unisex fragrance, but for me, it's a little bit too manly, and for Bradley, he thinks it's a little bit too feminine. So I'm gonna see if my best friend Jordan likes the way it smells. It smells really good, and it smells similar to the other two Ariana Grande ones. It just isn't like, I don't know, I said it's too masculine for me. So I am going to pass on that one to see if Jordan wants it. And they sent that to me, which is very kind. They sent me a couple of the Ariana Grande perfumes, which was so unbelievable. Like, I love Ariana Grande. Actually, as this is up on my channel, the Thank You Next album should be out, and I'm sure I'm loving it. But check in on Twitter and Instagram just to make sure. Speaking of Ariana Grande, you guys have seen me talk about this a couple of times. This is the new Ariana Grande Cloud perfume. I am loving it. I've mentioned that I think the cloud thing is kind of annoying to hold while you're spraying it, so it does pop out, which is great. I got this for Christmas. I am absolutely loving the way it smells. It is absolutely staying. Let me look up what it smells like. The top notes are lavender, pear, and bergamot. No wonder I love it. I love bergamot. The heart of it is coconut, praline, and vanilla, and the base is cashmere. I don't know what cashmere smells like, but that's what it says. So that is very nice. To me, it smells kind of like vanilla, marshmallow, floral, citrus. That didn't make any sense. Next up, we have Daisy Love by Marc Jacobs. I actually purchased, I can't speak today or any day, let's be real. I actually purchased this to wear on my wedding day, but spoiler alert, I didn't wear it. I went with my favorite perfume, which is back here. We'll get to that next. But this is Marc Jacobs Daisy Love. I love all of the Daisy perfumes. Well, not all of them, but most of them. I loved the Oh So Fresh one. I think I have it in here unless it's not in there. I have the Daisy Dream one. They just come out with a bunch of variations of it, but I just love the original one so much that I'm always interested to smell like the new ones they release. The top note is crystallized cloudberries, the heart is daisy tree petals, and the base is cashmere musk and driftwood. This is also kind of like a more mature scent, but it kind of just smells like roses and daisy mixed together to me. And I really like it, and I obviously loved this like huge giant flower, so that's super cute. Next up, we have Marc Jacobs Daisy, which is my all-time favorite perfume. This is what I ended up wearing on my wedding day. It is my absolute favorite. I have loved it since I was like maybe 19 or 20. That's like 10 years because I'm 29, almost 30 now. But I ended up wearing this on my wedding day just because when I smell it, it makes me happy and it makes me feel calm, and that's the overall vibe obviously I was going for on my wedding day. I don't know what about it. It just like, I used to wear it around the fall a lot, around my birthday, so it always just makes me happy because I really love the fall and my birthday. I wear this on airplanes every single time because I know the scent of it will keep me calm. I wear it to the dentist. I've been mixing it with my Valor essential oil because those are both like my bravery scents. The keynotes in this are strawberry, violet leaves, and jasmine. I did not know any of that. No wonder I love it so much. Oh, it smells so good. Every time I smell one of these perfumes, I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna spray it on myself, but I can't like wear all of them. Yes, this is my absolute favorite. As you can see, I'm running the most low on that one, or maybe this one, but I will repurchase this for the rest of my life. It is my absolute favorite. Then speaking of, we can talk about these two. Well, I guess I should have okay, wow, I'm getting ahead of myself. These are my two Ariana Grande perfumes besides the cloud one. This is, I believe, just called Ariana Grande, and this one is called Sweet Like Candy. I love, love, love the bottles. And if you're annoyed by this puff thing, it does come off. And my sister actually has this on a keychain, and our brother's dog Tuna loves to play with it. But I just love that it's like this like spiky bomb type situation. This is like a little dirty. They both smell so good. Let me look up the notes because I'm instantly confused. They smell similar but different all at the same time. It's crazy. So the top notes are sparkling blackberry, Italian bergamot, and pear. No wonder I love all of these so much. I love bergamot all of a sudden in my life. The heart of it is jasmine frangipani. I don't know what that is. And dewy honeysuckle. And then the base is creamy cassis, marshmallow cashmere woods, and sexy vanilla. Why do they have to describe it as sexy vanilla? Okay, so those are the bases for Sweet Like Candy. And then the notes for the Ariana Grande original one are crispy pear, pink grapefruit, juicy raspberry. The heart is soft muguet, M-U-G-U-E-E-T, rosebuds, vanilla orchid, and the base is marshmallow, creamy musk, and blonde woods. So her stuff has a lot of like marshmallow in it, which kind of makes you feel like it'll be sickeningly sweet, but like it's not. They're just all really nice. So definitely keeping both of those. I have no rhyme or reason when I choose one over the other. It's just whatever I'm in the mood for. I feel like Sweet Like Candy is obviously a little bit sweeter than the original one, but they're both great. Okay, let's finish this out and then we will move on to my little travel ones. We'll talk about Marc Jacobs Daisy Dream. I love this one. I really love to wear this one in the spring. It smells like the original Daisy, but like also totally different. I just love the packaging of all of the Marc Jacobs Daisy perfumes. They're just so glamorous and beautiful and with daisies, and I love them. So the keynotes in this one are blackberry, jasmine flower, and white wood, so very similar to the original one. The Ulta website for the Ariana Grande ones gives you so many like top, middle, and base, but Sephora just gives you like a roundup of it all, so sorry, but definitely all of these perfumes have in common is floral, so I'm definitely a floral type of bitch, but it smells so good. So I love this one. I wear it more towards the spring, like I said. So yeah, definitely keeping that one. And then, as much as it pains me, I think I have to get rid of this. I don't know if anybody will remember this. I feel like we could zoom in. Hold on. So I don't know if anybody will remember this, but there was a store that was like a sister store to Abercrombie and Hollister and all those called Gilley Hicks. And it was an all ladies like undergarment store. So they had bras and panties and lingerie and all that stuff. You know how like those stores pump their scents through the store so it just smells overwhelmingly like that scent? They would pump this, and I loved the way my like bras smelled when I brought them home, so I eventually like looked into it and it was this scent, and so I bought it. I would just buy a new one, but they went out of business. But this is, it literally smells so good. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like, it's obviously florally, but it's kind of like, you know, like those cotton scents as well. It's kind of like that, but it's old and it's turning, so it just has to be thrown out, which is so devastating. I love scents for nostalgia, but it is not what it once was, so I am going to just have to toss it, which breaks my heart. But we had a good long run, and I loved it. And if anybody knew what I was talking about with Gilley Hicks, comment down below, because I feel like I've tried to explain this to so many people and they're like, what? No, but yes, it existed. Here's proof. Alright, now let's dive into my little miniature bottles. These are my Scentbird ones, which I actually... The Versace one is this green one. I'm not crazy about it, but I'm definitely crazy about the Nest one. This is Nest, Dahlia, and Vines. Super florally, super pretty. It's again very like citrusy, sparkling smelling. The Versace one is nice. It's just kind of like old for me, and I don't think I said what it was. Versace Signature. So I don't know. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. I might see if my sister likes that one, but I'm definitely keeping the Nest one. I want to try so many more Nest fragrances. I have my Elizabeth & James White Nirvana perfume oil. I love this perfume. I definitely want to own this one sometime in life. It is beautiful. Elizabeth & James is Mary-Kate and Ashley's company, and they actually make a white and a black version that both smell great on their own, but they're designed that they smell even better together, which I think is really cool. But I also love this perfume oil because it's very like concentrated and it smells really good and it lasts all day. You know what though? As I'm smelling it right now, it doesn't smell like anything. I feel like it's old and it's lost its scent. Which I just took this with me on vacation. Did I not even like use it? I don't know. I need to like sniff this again when like there's not so much perfume in the air because I've literally been like spritzing all of these. But this might be a get rid of, which I'll just repurchase it because I love that. I have some Rollerballs. Well, this is actually not a Rollerball. This is a spray top, which I love. My mom got me this for Christmas this year. It's the same as the Ariana Grande Cloud perfume, just in travel size. And I'm currently trying to find a new purse. I'm looking forward to getting a new purse and reorganizing it because the one I have now is so small that I don't keep anything in it, but I want to be able to keep like my travel perfume and my roll-on oils and just some random things. So it's in here for now, but I definitely want to put it in my purse. And I also have a Rollerball of the Sweet Like Candy by Ariana Grande, which I like, but I don't see myself using a Rollerball. I'm going to pass this on to my sister because I know she loves Rollerballs. I have this La Vanilla perfume, which I love this. It's the healthy fragrance. It's pure vanilla. Nikki Philippi talks about this all the time, and I want the like real spray bottle, but they sent me this and I want to definitely try. It smells so good, you guys. I want to definitely try mixing it with some of my essential oils like vanilla and orange or like tangerine to make like a creamsicle shade, or like vanilla and jasmine eventually when I buy rose oil. So I definitely want to keep this, and it's supposed to be much healthier than a lot of perfumes, but you know, I feel like I'll get some comments saying like, I thought you were all into the oils. I am, but I still love perfume. Like I don't know, you take baby steps, I guess. You guys don't judge me, but I've literally had this since I was 10. It came with the Barbie. The smell of it is my childhood and I'm not getting rid of it. Oh, I have another Scentbird one. This is, come out. This is Juicy Couture Viva la Juicy Rose, which is so nice. It smells like the like juicy scents, but with like more of a rose hint, which I love rose. It smells so good. And I love the like bright pink chrome. Then I have some really tiny testers. This one is a Jo Malone one, which, oh my god, it smells so good. I believe this was the new one. Oh, I just sprayed that like directly up my nose. It was like nectarine and orange honey blossom or something. I don't know, but he gave me a sample of it and I was like, yes. This I got like from Sephora Point Perks. Oh, ew. That had something weird in it and I had to shake it up. It's the Elizabeth and James Nirvana Bourbon, which is alright. I don't like it as much as the white Nirvana, but it still smells along the same lines. And then I have just a really tiny Daisy by Marc Jacobs that I like to keep on hand just for travel purposes. I don't know. But yeah, that is it. Let me put all my small ones back in here. Well, this one can go on the bottom. And this I keep in my travel drawer, which I know I'm extra that I have a travel drawer, but it comes in handy, so yeah. So here is the pile of stuff that I am keeping, and here is the pile of stuff I am getting rid of. So some of them have to go directly in the trash, but the other ones I'm going to try to rehome. But yeah, let me try to rework them on my vanity and I will keep you updated. So here is the top of my vanity. Here is one side. There is the other. So I split up the perfumes just because I had them all on one before, as you may have seen in behind me in some videos, and it just was too crowded. So it helped that I got rid of some. I only got rid of 2, but that helped, but it also helped to split them up. So over here I have 2 of the Marc Jacobs ones, an Ariana Grande and the KKW, and then over here I have the other Marc Jacobs, Ariana Grande, and the other Ariana Grande, and then a candle. I don't need a candle in here. I only light it in the back of videos, so I keep one in here. I do have a diffuser in this room, so that's where I get the majority of the good smell. And look, this is my new lamp. We got it at Target. I'll link it down below if I can still find it. I did get rid of like the form lady that was there and I went for a lamp because I need more light in this room. I think I want to get another lamp for over here. But yeah, guys.
Yeah, everyone.
Thank you, honey, for your I can't speak. Your support.
I always support you.
Thank you, honey. Alright guys, so that is it for my perfume collection slash declutter. I'm blocking the light. Thank you again to Scentbird for sponsoring this video. I will have my link down below. I will also link all of the perfumes I kept, all my fave perfumes, so check the description box. I love you guys. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!